The factory of the future just showed up in real life. At HANNOVER MESSE, NVIDIA is putting AI to work across the entire production cycle, from design to deployment. We're talking agentic engineering, real-time simulations, vision AI, and robots that can actually operate in dynamic factory environments. Not demos for the future, systems being tested right now. Behind it all is infrastructure. Germany's industrial AI cloud is giving companies a secure, sovereign platform to run everything from digital twins to AI-driven robotics at scale. With partners like Siemens, SAP, and ABB already building on it, manufacturing is starting to look a lot more like software, faster to design, cheaper to test, and constantly improving.